Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions so you don't end up with a drone that flies like a brick with wings. Today, we're pitting two titans of the drone world against each other, the Ruko F11PRO and the Holystone HS175D. It's going to be a showdown of epic proportions, so buckle up and let's dive in. First up, the price. The Ruko F11PRO is like that gourmet coffee you splurge on, coming in at a hefty $389. Meanwhile, the Holystone HS175D is more like your everyday latte, priced at a more budget-friendly $229. So if you're looking to save some cash to buy extra snacks for your drone flying excursions, Holystone's got you covered. Next, let's talk cameras. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. On the other hand, the Holystone HS175D also features a 4K camera, but with a 110 degrees wide angle and the same 90 degrees adjustability. Both offer stunning clarity. But Ruko gives you that extra 10 degrees of FOV, because who doesn't want to see more of the world, right? Reviewers say that the Ruko F11PRO's camera quality is clear and impressive, making it great for capturing detailed shots, while the Holystone HS175D also receives praise for its good picture and video quality, especially for beginners. Now, if you're planning to film your entire life story, flight time is crucial. The Ruko F11PRO flexes its muscles with a total of 60 minutes of flight time from 2 batteries. The Holystone HS175D, however, gives you up to 46 minutes. That's like having an extra slice of pizza with Ruko. Every minute counts. Reviewers love the long flight time of the Ruko F11PRO, noting it adds to the fun and usability, while the Holystone Hydrogen Sulfide D's flight time is considered decent, but not as long-lasting. Are you a newbie or a pro? Doesn't matter. Both drones are designed to be user-friendly. The Ruko F11PRO has beginner settings and intelligent flight features like Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It's basically like having a drone that reads your mind. The Holystone HS175D isn't slacking either, with altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and one-key takeoff, landing. It's so easy, even your grandma could fly it. Just make sure she's not aiming it at the neighbor's cat. Reviewers of the Ruko F11PRO find it very easy to use, even for beginners, while Holystone HS175D reviewers agree it's a great starter drone with an easy setup process. Let's talk durability and design. The Ruko F11PRO comes with level 6 wind resistance and a tough aluminum alloy casing. It's like the Chuck Norris of drones, tough and ready to face any wind. The Holystone HS175D, on the other hand, is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it super portable. Plus, it weighs under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. Think of it as the travel blogger of drones, light, compact, and always ready for an adventure. Reviewers praise the Ruko F11PRO for its exceptional build quality and durability, while the Holystone HS175D is appreciated for its portability and ease of transport. Both drones come with GPS auto return, so they'll come back home if they lose signal or run low on battery. It's like having a built-in homing pigeon. But the Ruko F11PRO also promises 30 days of return or exchange and a 90-day free warranty. Talk about customer service. Holystone HS175D has some cool tricks up its sleeve too, like following you automatically and taking photos when you pose. It's like having a personal paparazzi. How cool is that? Reviewers appreciate the customer service and additional features of both drones, with the Ruko F11PRO's warranty and return policy being a standout, and the Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide D's fun photo features being a hit. Overall, both drones receive high praise from reviewers. The Ruko F11PRO is lauded for its exceptional build quality, long flight time, and ease of use, making it a great choice for those looking for a durable and feature-rich drone. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS175D is highly recommended for beginners due to its affordability, ease of setup, and good camera quality, making it a solid option for those new to drone flying. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko F11PRO and the Holy Stone HS175D. Both have their strengths and quirks, just like your favorite sitcom characters. Whether you want the extra flight time and durability of the Ruko or the portability and budget friendliness of the Holy Stone, the choice is yours. Drop a comment below on which drone you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying and buy smart. Product links are in the description.